How to fix snap not sending on Snapchat in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open your Snapchat and then click on your account. Now on top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then scroll down, and here you can see the option clear data. Now click on clear data, and then in last you can see the option clear cache. Now click on clear cache and then click on clear. After clear the cache of your Snapchat, then go back to your screen and open your settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, then click on iPhone storage and then scroll down and click on Snapchat. Now here you can offload your Snapchat app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.